Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're fine. Good morning from here. My name is Teacher Fizan. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you the three-statement modeling, three-statement financial modeling. So, you can say this is a sample company, right? We have got a cover in that sheet, statement modeling, model checks. We have a model exceeding operational capacity. Unused tax flows remaining no. Okay, so this is our table of contents output input model, and we have got model circularity. It's on. We can off it. It's up to us, right? Okay, let's jump. This is our cover. This is our cover page, right? For example, if I click this output, it directly moves into me. So this is our dashboard, ladies and gentlemen. Three-statement modeling dashboard. Chart and graphs. We have got driver switch. We have got three cases, ladies and gentlemen: best case, base case, and worst case. So, this is income statement from 2020 to 2027. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Okay, actual, and this is okay. We have got EBITDA. We have got cash flow statement, and we have got income statement. This is our graphs. How beautiful. Have you seen how beautiful it looks like? Income statement, you can say, but when this is called dashboard output, and this is a best case we have got. We have got, if you say base case, so it will change it, right? So this is base case, but for example, if I click on the worst case, this is our worst case. This is actual, and this is different. Okay. So this is our worst case. As you can see, this is, and if I do it, for example, output, the worst case, ladies and gentlemen. So we can say the best case, the base case, and the best. In the best one, as you can see, this is our cash flow, right? So let's jump on the input tab. This is input. Drivers we have got best case, we have got base case, we have got worst case. Again in the driver switch, right? This is base case. Pricing increases, capital expenditure, we have got separate table of sales volume, pricing, capital expenditure, and other inputs. We have got working capital. As we know, in working capital we have got three things: receivables, inventory, and payables, right, ladies and gentlemen? So in days we have got inflation, other annual inputs. We have got dates. This is amazing. Now this is model. In model we have got three statements: income, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, right? We have got, this is actual. The 3 years data is actual, and this is factual. Okay. As you can see, cash flow statement. These all three statements are interconnected with each other, ladies and gentlemen. The best part is that we have, as we know, in cash flow we have got three parts: cash from operating, cash from investing, and cash from financing. As the balance sheet, sold, settled, liabilities, equity section. This is the best format of balance sheet, right? Okay. This is a revenue schedule. We have got cost schedule. All these things are interconnected with each other, right? Ladies and working capital schedule. We have got amounts payable, change charges, depreciation schedule, asset schedule, income tax schedule, debt schedule, part 1, part 2, and equity. We have got equity schedule. This is the best thing, If we change, these things will change, right? This is our cover. This is called three-statement modeling. We have got dashboard. In three-state modeling, we have a dashboard is the most important part, right? Because when you present your three